Hey everybody, welcome to the GIRU beta test project. And I want to thank you all for spending the time to come here and listen to what I have to say and to learn more about GIRU and help us beta test this site. And today I'm going to take you through a project that's pre-baked. We've already developed the products. This beta test is to really test the site, but also to give you an idea of what process this will entail for future developments going forward, where you'll help us take products that are truly in development to finalize it and then into production. Today we're going to let you go through this process with us. It's the same decisions we're making in the development room. You're going to make those same decisions with us through this project and testing the site. And the first project we're going to beta test with is a new game bag system. And it's a system that I've wanted to create for a while because I've never really been happy with how game bags have functioned, especially when you're talking about backpack hunts and boning out meat. And in the past, we've had to use a typical game bag, and they're long. When you're dealing with no bones, the meat ends up just balled up in this bag. We tie a knot into it and shove it in our bag, and it's really hard to manage. And then if you're dealing with quarters and boned out meat, you still don't have a good bag to use for the back straps, the neck meat, the tenderloins. And looked at a comprehensive look at building a better system for this. And we came up with the idea of creating our boneless meat duffel bags. And this will allow you to either on hunts where you're boning your game completely out to bring several of these, or if you're using quarter bags and you're quartering out an animal, you're still going to want one of these to put the back straps and tenderloins in and neck meat. And what's great about these is obviously the zipper top. It's got handles, so you can just grab it and carry the meat out versus carrying a bag. And it has webbing loops. We can attach your accessory handles off your backpack and create a loop to hang it on or carry it by, and also clips right into the back of your Icon Pro suspension on the bags. And so it's going to give you a much more functional, useful game bag. And then if you're going to use it with the quarter bags, you can actually take the 4 quarter bags, roll it up, and put it in this bag, zip it shut, and this is going to be your game bag system, right, in a convenient carrying system. One of the things that I've never really liked about current game bags is seam placement. And everybody puts the seam, which is the weakest point of the bag, right at the bottom where all the weight goes. And also the fabric selections have always been lacking. A lot of them are cotton or canvas that aren't durable. Some are nylon, but they're really inexpensive nylons that happen to tear over time and fail to really wash clean. And so I went to one of our best fabric suppliers that supplies us our Cordura fabrics and looked at some really high-end nylons and came up with a really durable Taslan nylon that's, I don't know if you can see it on film, but it breathes really, really well, but is incredibly durable and strong. You get these things in your hand, you'll feel the quality of this fabric and the strength of it. And we tested it the last year with amazing results. And because of where that seam location is, we brought the seam all the way around in a folded seam with panels down the sides. So you're gonna get better shape, and then we have no failures or seams near the bottom that can fail. We added in a blaze orange side panels of this so you can see it in your load sling, and then a nice high quality nylon 6/6 pull cord and cinch with a Duraflex part. So you're just getting a better quality, better design, more thought out quarter bag than what's out there currently in the marketplace. And these zippered meat bags come in 3 sizes. The quarter bags come in 4 sizes, from moose quarters all the way down to our smalls, which will do antelope or black-tailed deer quarters. And everything's sized accordingly, from the zippered meat bags to the quarter bags, and you can put a system together for whatever you're specifically doing on your hunts. And we wanted to launch GIRU with this project to have you go through it, test the site, move it into funding, test the funding portion of it. And for doing that, and giving us feedback on the new site, giving us feedback on how it functions, we'll give you a discount on the bags for doing that and helping us beta test it. And then shortly after, we'll be able to actually put in the next and real project that you're going to help develop and move it into production with your input and your feedback to exactly how you want it. We need to start with this one to test out the site. The next one is going live, and you'll actually help us develop the next products for GIRU. I want to say thank you for taking the time to learn about GIRU, to help us vet it out, and we look forward to your comments and feedback.